Let's get your feet looking neat and tidy with this quick trick. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution and today I'll walk you through the process of how to change Instagram grid to square. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First open the Instagram and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right to access your post. Select the photo or video you want to edit and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. From the menu, choose Adjust Preview. This is where the magic happens. Tap on the Feed option to instantly reshape your Instagram grid into a square format. Once you are happy with the look, tap on the tick mark to save your changes. Finally, your Instagram grid will have a uniform look. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.